how to set your hourly rates on people per hour. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can set your hourly rates on people per hour. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your people per hour account, alright? And once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon where you see your profile name, your email, then you see options like post project dashboard profile. So select profile option. After selecting profile, you're brought to your profiles page. So on your profiles page, you see the option for you to add a cover. Then move to the left side of the screen where you can see your profile icon, you can see your profile name, and then you can see the amount that's the default amount that will be added to your account whenever you create an account. So in order to set this hourly rate, move to the top part of the left side of the box next to your profile name and click on the edit button. After clicking on the edit button, you'll be taken to the edit your profiles page. On this page, you can decide to upload your profile picture, you can add cover image, you can add the job title, the exact job that you're looking for, and your skills about you, your portfolio. Then scroll down until you can see the option per hour rate. Alright, so once you can see this option, you can now go ahead to include your per hour rate. So for me, I'll just be making use of $10 per hour, and once you do scroll down, click on save, and then just like that your hourly rate would be saved. But before then, ensure that you added the job title, ensure you added the skill, ensure you've given a brief introduction about yourself to increase your chances of being found by recruiters, and then add your portfolio if you have any your industry expertise. Just fill in the necessary information, click on save, and you're good to go. So that is it. All right. This is how you can set your hourly rate easily on people per hour. Thank you for watching, everyone, and do have a great day.